Wait, you're making those plans in regards to me?
Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell.
Have y'all ever had someone tell you what you were gonna do in your free time? And not in a way where it's like, oh, I have like a nice surprise for you that you're gonna like, excuse me. But in a way like they need a favor and they're telling you that you're gonna do this favor for them in a very passive aggressive way. I've had that happen. Like, granted, I've had people throw lovely surprises. Surprises, I'm appreciative. I am grateful. But I literally had someone who needed a favor from me and was telling me, like, oh, okay, so I know you get paid this day and you get off of work at this time and you can do this. What? No. First of all, you're clocking my checks. Second of all, what? Like, you're not even asking me if I'm available. Like, you're just assuming because, mind you, and I've always did favors, I never mind. But because you got used to me always helping you and doing those favors, you got too comfortable and was getting out of the side of your neck thinking you was going to tell me what I was going to do in my free time. And I wasn't rude about it. I was nice. I was like, you're assuming that I'm free and you're not asking me. Then the person had the nerve to double down like, yeah, like, I'm so looking forward to you doing this for me. That's when I was like, okay, once again, like, you're assuming that I am free to do it and you're not even asking me, you're telling me. And that person was upset, and baby, I don't care, because it's like, I would never think to tell somebody what they are going to do with their free time. Like, first of all, I don't know what kind of day somebody has. I love to ask people, are you available? Like, what's your availability? I like to plan things with people. I like to ask people things, because when you assume, you're making a booty out of you and not me. Like, I'm not the foolish one because I'm just not assuming anything. You are. So how are you gonna tell me what I'm gonna do and then be mad at me because I just shut it down? It's weird. Like, I don't know. It's mind-boggling because I wouldn't do that to someone. Like, when people do things to me, like, that's something I wouldn't even think of. It's like, wow, you just checked something off on my list of something that I really shouldn't do and didn't think of doing. Thank you. Like, people are crazy. But that's what happens when people are very used to you being, that's boundaries. Like, at the end of the day, like, I was very nice and didn't set up boundaries and should have said no a lot of times. But when you don't give people those boundaries, they take advantage of you guys. What can I say? But guys, look at me posting a video on time. Guys, if you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. The what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Have a wonderful weekend. Until next time.